My cat disappeared for days, and what I discovered when he returned changed everything. I always thought Neva, my white cat, was a free spirit, but he never wandered far from home. However, one afternoon, he simply didn't come back. Days passed with no sign of him, and I started fearing the worst. I put up posters around the neighborhood, walked the streets calling for him, and even posted on social media, but nothing. Just when I was starting to lose hope, Neva returned. He appeared at the door, meowing as if nothing had happened. At first I was relieved, but something was different. He was wearing a collar that wasn't his. When I checked it, I found a message engraved on it. "Thank you for taking such good care of our Snowy. Signed, your neighbors from the alley." Intrigued, I decided to investigate. I discovered that Neva had been leading a double life. At night, he had been visiting an elderly couple living at the end of the street. They thought he was a stray and had adopted him, naming him Snowy. They even gave him his own food in bed. Although I was a bit annoyed at first, I couldn't deny how heartwarming it was. Now I have a special friendship with people who were once strangers.